Hi, Robert here at DeLand Kia. You know, I'm standing in front of some very unique cars here at the dealership. These are all certified pre-owned Kias. First thing you should know, only Kia can certify pre-owned a Kia car. But what is certification? What does pre-owned certification mean? Let's take this car for an example. This is a Kia certified vehicle. Now what makes it certified? Well, it can be no more than 4 years from the current model year. That means it's got to be a 2011 or better. It has to have less than 60,000 miles. Also, once the car comes in, it goes through a 150-point inspection. Anything that's a wear item, tires, wipers, brake pads, has to have at least 50% life left, or we replace it before we sell it. Now, what makes this car unique is, as you know, the first year depreciation on a new car is the biggest depreciation. Well, that's already gone off of this car, so you're getting an exceptional value for your money. You also get a warranty that is in some cases better than a new car warranty. In this case, this car would have a 4-year, 55,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. It's got a 10-year, 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty. And just so you can buy the car with confidence, Kia is going to give you 10 years, unlimited miles roadside assistance. So the certified pre-owned vehicle, for those who want the intelligent buy to make the most of their car buying dollars stretch out, these are the cars for you. Come on down for your test drive today. Quantities are limited.